Welcome to this video to understand the grade ranges that are identified in the school annual calendar. Again, we're logged into Sportsmith. We're in the school annual data, the main spot launching place for calendars. And you'll see here that we understand what grade ranges the start and the minimum grade and the maximum grade are associated to each school. So Little Harbor, Dondero, Franklin are all elementary schools that go to K to 12. Portsmouth High School is a 9 to 12. The middle school is a 6 to 8. When you click on the calendar, you'll see that the calendar is specified in grade buckets, and these are done based on school law. So although we're specifying here that the grade range is from 1 to 6, and that 1 to 6 were in school those for 5.25 hours per day, we understand that that is only applying in this scenario for Portsmouth Middle School to grade 6, because the middle school doesn't have a 1 to 5. So don't let that confuse you. Although the grade ranges are always in buckets of either kindergarten, 1 to 6, or 7 to 12, the bucket is only used for the grades within the school that you're reporting it for. So again, 7 to 12, these 5.5 hours, we are only using that for Portsmouth Middle School for grades 7 and 8 because they don't have the other grades in their school. For grades 9 through 12, when you're looking at Portsmouth High School and we view their data, that grade range, 7 through 12, this is a separate record that's stored here for the high school. Again, we're only considering grades 9 through 12 in this range because the high school only has grades 9 through 12. So I know that's confusing. The main thing to keep in mind is, although the range says 7 to 12, realize that it's only being used for the grades within the school that you're currently looking at. Please call us if you've got questions or contact us. Thank you.